Getting kids to eat healthy doesn't have to be a struggle. In this video, I'll share some of the best kid-friendly healthy foods and how to cook them. We'll cover breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks that are delicious, nutritious, and easy to prepare. By the end of this video, you'll have plenty of ideas to keep your little ones happy and healthy. Let's dive in. To start, let's talk about why healthy eating is crucial for children. Kids need a balanced diet with proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals to grow strong and stay energetic. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon and walnuts, support brain health. Introducing healthy foods early helps establish lifelong habits. A nutritious diet can prevent obesity, diabetes, and other health problems. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Here are some healthy and tasty breakfast ideas that kids will love. 1 banana oat pancakes. Blend 1 ripe banana, 1 cup rolled oats, 2 eggs, and a pinch of cinnamon into a smooth batter. Heat a non-stick skillet and pour small portions of the batter. Cook until bubbles form, then flip and cook the other side. These pancakes are naturally sweetened, high in fiber, and loaded with protein. 2 yogurt parfait. Layer 1 cup Greek yogurt, fresh fruits like berries and bananas, and granola in a glass. Top with a drizzle of honey for added sweetness. Yogurt provides calcium and probiotics, while fruits add vitamins and antioxidants. 3 egg and veggie muffins. Whisk 4 eggs and mix in chopped veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes, along with shredded cheese. Pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. These muffins are high in protein and a great way to sneak in veggies. For lunch, it's important to pack meals with energy and nutrients to keep kids fueled for the day. 1 rainbow veggie wraps. Spread hummus over a whole wheat tortilla. Add shredded carrots, spinach, sliced bell peppers, and cucumbers in layers and roll tightly. Slice into smaller pieces for easy handling. This wrap is colorful, fun, and packed with vitamins and fiber. 2 turkey and cheese roll UPS. Layer a slice of sliced turkey breast, cheese slices, and lettuce. Roll them up and secure with toothpicks. This is a low-carb, protein-rich meal that's perfect for picky eaters. 3 veggie-packed mac and cheese. Cook whole wheat pasta and set aside. Steam finely chopped broccoli and carrots and mix them into a homemade cheese sauce. Combine pasta with the sauce and serve. Adding veggies boosts the nutritional value of this classic comfort food. Snacks are a great way to keep kids' energy levels up between meals. 1 fruit and nut energy balls. Blend 1 cup dates, half a cup almonds, and a 1/4 cup cocoa powder in a food processor. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for an hour before serving. These are naturally sweetened and full of fiber and healthy fats. 2 veggie chips. Slice sweet potatoes, zucchini, or kale thinly and toss them with olive oil and salt. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until crispy. A crunchy alternative to store-bought chips, with fewer calories and no preservatives. 3 apple nachos. Arrange apple slices on a plate. Drizzle with peanut butter and sprinkle chopped nuts on top. This snack is rich in vitamins, protein, and healthy fats. Dinner is a great time to bring the family together with wholesome meals. 1 baked chicken tenders. Dip chicken breast strips in beaten egg and coat with whole wheat breadcrumbs. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. These are baked, not fried, making them a healthier alternative. 2 veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Cook brown rice and set aside. Stir-fry mixed veggies like broccoli, carrots, and peas in a little olive oil and soy sauce. Serve over rice. Brown rice provides complex carbs, and the veggies add fiber and vitamins. 3 salmon and sweet potato bake. Place salmon fillets and sweet potato wedges on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, and sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A. Sometimes, getting kids to eat healthy requires a little creativity. Let them help with simple tasks like stirring or sprinkling toppings. Cut fruits, veggies, and sandwiches into fun shapes using cookie cutters. Arrange meals to look like animals or smiley faces. Give kids options between 2 healthy dishes to empower them. Feeding kids healthy meals doesn't have to be a battle. With these kid-friendly recipes and creative tips, you can make healthy eating enjoyable and stress-free.